Welcome to the Sprint Kickoff team. Today's explainer is a strategic briefing on a challenge we're all facing right now. We're going to look at exactly how we integrate our newest, most powerful, and frankly, non-human toolset into our daily workflow.
So, what happens when your newest developer isn't human? That's the elephant in the room for every product manager and engineer today, right? How exactly do we manage an alien intelligence that's suddenly sitting on our dev team? We're not just writing code anymore. We're directing agents that write code for us. It's a massive paradigm shift, and to navigate it successfully, we need a really solid strategy.
Section 1. Meet our alien teammates. Under the hood, our new teammate is incredibly complex. According to the 2026 International AI Safety Report, we aren't just dealing with a simple text generator anymore. We're dealing with an AI agent. It's a system combining a core model with a memory tool, web browsing capabilities, and computer use tools to iteratively write, run, and execute code. It uses what researchers call a chain of thoughts to autonomously pursue goals. And yeah, it's incredibly capable, but that autonomy introduces some really serious complexities.
Section 2. Harari's Alien Intelligence Warning. In his book Nexus, renowned historian and philosopher Yuval Noah Harari argues that AI shouldn't just be called artificial, it should be recognized as an alien intelligence. Why? Well, because the way it processes billions of parameters is often a black box to us. We literally don't always know how it arrived at its output. And because of this unfathomable internal logic, there's a huge risk that it can execute tasks in ways that fundamentally misalign with what we actually want as the end result. And let's be honest, we already have enough trouble with human developers generating spaghetti code. So the crucial point Harari makes is looking at history. He points out that any durable information system, whether that's the US Constitution or the software we're building today, must have a self-correcting mechanism, or an SCM. This is a built-in process to fix misalignments, amend errors, and basically course correct when things inevitably go off the rails. As Harari says, as a network becomes more powerful, its self-correcting mechanisms become more vital. Without robust SCMs, an alien intelligence might run unchecked. For us as a product team, this means we absolutely cannot leave it to its own devices when shipping our products. A fire-and-forget approach with AI, total recipe for disaster.
Section 3. Moloch's 4 AI rules.
This is where our strategy really comes together. We need to directly counter Harari's macro-level fears of rogue algorithms and existential misalignment with some micro-level, day-to-day solutions. Where Harari warns of the lack of SCMs, Wharton professor Ethan Mollick provides the daily guardrails: co-intelligence, keeping the human in the loop, and using highly directed prompts. As your PM, I want you to consider Mollick's 4 rules as our official onboarding manual for AI. Number 1. Invite AI to the table, experiment constantly. Number 2, always be the human in the loop, maintain strict oversight. Number 3, treat it like a person by giving it a specific persona and context for its tasks. And 4, assume this is the worst AI you will ever use, because its capabilities are growing exponentially. We have to adapt right alongside it.
Just look at the hard data backing up Moloch's second rule. According to that 2026 AI Safety Report, while agents are great at code generation, they struggle immensely with architectural decisions. Plus, their success rate drops sharply on tasks that take longer than 2.5 hours. And they're notoriously weak across file refactoring. Because of this jagged frontier of capabilities, keeping the human in the loop is absolutely non-negotiable for our code reviews. You are the architect, the AI is the typist.
Section 4. Agile, our built-in SCM. Tech writer Tom Johnson had a massive realization that ties all of this together perfectly. He wrote that our existing agile sprints, with their constant user feedback loops, are the exact self-correcting mechanisms that Harari says we need to survive. Agile is literally our defense against the alien. Think about it. If we were to use a rigid deployment, just letting the AI generate a massive feature and shipping it, we'd be assuming the alien knows best, carrying a massive risk of hallucination and misalignment. Instead, we use agile AI integration. We release iteratively. We test the AI-generated code. We gather actual user feedback, and we use that feedback to immediately course-correct the AI's trajectory. We use agile to tame the alien. Section 5. Leading the cyborg team. Moloch actually identifies 2 successful types of AI users in the modern workforce. Centaurs divide the work clearly. They say, AI, you do task A and I'll do task B.
But cyborgs go a step further. They intertwine their workflow deeply and continuously with the AI, co-creating within the exact same task. They use the AI to bounce ideas, write snippets, and review logic in real time. And that leads to our primary PM mandate for this sprint and beyond. Our goal is to become a team of cyborgs. I want you deeply integrating these tools to accelerate your workflow, but you must enforce our agile self-correcting mechanisms. Do your code reviews, test thoroughly, and never ever blindly trust the alien intelligence. We use it to serve the product and the user, not the other way around.
I'm going to leave you with this provocative thought to kick off our sprint. The data shows that the complexity of software tasks these agents can handle is doubling approximately every 7 months. As this rapid evolution continues, your role is fundamentally changing. Will you just be shipping software, or will you be mastering the management of a completely new species of intelligence on our team? Let's get out there and build something great. Have a fantastic sprint, everyone.